Top 5 AI tools for business in 2025. Boost productivity fast. Welcome to Tech Pulse, your hub for the latest AI tools and automation software that make business smarter and faster. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 AI tools for business in 2025 that can help you save time, reduce costs, and increase productivity, even if you're a small startup or a solo entrepreneur. Let's dive right in. 1. Chatgpt by OpenAI. Still the king of conversation AI, Chatgpt helps businesses write emails, create marketing content, build chatbots, and even brainstorm ideas in seconds. The new GPT-4 and GPT-5 updates make it faster, smarter, and more creative than ever. Perfect for content creation, customer support, and automation workflows. 2. Pictory AI. If you create social media or YouTube videos, Pictory turns your text or script into a professional video automatically. It adds stock clips, subtitles, and background music, all in minutes. Even if you don't know editing, you can produce stunning videos for your business or brand. Perfect for YouTube automation, marketing videos, and content creators. 3. Jasper AI, now called Jasper Brand Voice. Jasper helps write blogs, ads, and website content using your brand's tone and style. It's like having your own marketing copywriter available 24/7, perfect for agencies, marketers, and startups that want fast, quality writing. 4. Notion AI. Notion was already a great productivity tool, but with AI, it becomes your digital assistant. It can summarize meetings, plan projects, and generate to-do lists automatically. Perfect for teams and freelancers managing daily work and ideas in one place. 5. Synesthesia AI. Synesthesia creates AI-generated videos with virtual presenters. No camera or mic needed. Just type your script, choose an avatar, and you get a professional explainer video in minutes. Perfect for tutorials, company training, or product demos. So there you have it, the top 5 AI tools for business in 2025 that can supercharge your productivity and simplify your work. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which AI tool you want me to review next. Thanks for watching Tech Pulse, where we bring technology to life.